Hello everyone, I'm Danny from Pillars Brewery and I'm introducing our new Vienna Lager. Small batch, good vibes. It's in collaboration with William Morris Gallery, which means 50% of the profit goes to the William Morris Gallery as well. It's got some cheeky William Morris artwork on it called Wandle. This lager is 5.2%, contains most hops. What is it? Most hops. Most. Nah, it doesn't. Most hops. So it's quite hoppy, slightly citrusy, has a nice passion fruit flavour to it. It's got stone fruit character, nice passion fruit taste. Slightly malty as well. You can grab these in the tap room, online, or at any of our stockists. Cheers. Delicious.